Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. My name is Rija and this is a warm welcome to all of you from Book Points team. I wanted to do this for a very long time, but unfortunately our plans cancelled thanks to COVID-19. 20 I think, 1920 anyways. So I hope you all are doing safe and sound at your places and working and having a new normal life. So today I am here to discuss with you Book Point story. This is my personal story and therefore I always wanted to share it to you directly, and what's the better way than doing it virtually when all the world is all about virtual now. I'll be introducing about myself, and of course I will be giving you information about the team that works with me. Through this video I'll be walking through with you to Book Point story, how it came into being, what is the reason being so affordable. So many ask me this question. Beginning with me, let's talk about me. So beginning with me, I am from Pakistan, Karachi, but I've lived all my life in UAE. I belong to a very small, neutral, cute family, which consists of my mother and my brother. My dad left us 3 years back, unfortunately, and if he would be alive today, I am sure he would be very proud of me, because his dream was always to own a bookstore in this part of the world, and that was his plans, but God had different plans. May Allah rest his soul in peace. So I lived in Ras Al Khaimah for almost 18 years, and the one thing that buggered me in Ras Al Khaimah until I lived there was that there was no bookstore there. The bookstore now, it has come into being, and I'm very happy for the Ras Al Khaimah people, but before there was no bookstore, and there was no fashion of social media before as such. I'm talking about 7 to 8 years back, and there was no fashion of pre-loved books. I had no concept about these things. So my bookstore was Lulu Center and Carrefour, and to be honest with you, this was a miracle for me, and that too I found out by chance, basically, because you don't find stores, Lulu Center or Carrefour, you won't find the books very easily placed out. But I was very glad when I found them, and I used to go and sneak around books from there. And why I used to sneak around books from there was because my mum was not very fond of reading. She always encouraged me, although yes, she was the first person who made me start reading, actually, to improvise my vocabulary and everything, but she only wanted us to read during the holidays. And I can understand the feelings of people who have gone through this, because I have gone through the same thing. And honestly, I don't think she was wrong, but then I do disagree on certain points, which is that you can allow a certain time limit in a week at least to get reading. So anyway, so I remember that I was 9 years old and my dad had sneaked around with a book. It was Enid Blyton's Famous Five, and I was so crazy behind Julian and Annie and Georgina. I was very crazy about them, and my dad got that book for me. And then wonderfully, my mom caught it. I mean, moms, you can never ever get around with them. They always catch everything. Be them the wife or be them the mother, they will always find. And so my dad also got the scolding, and I also got the scolding. So, but please don't think my mom is, she's not that strict. Back then she was, now she's very cool, kind of. And if she sees, she's definitely going to see this, she will kill me literally. Anyways, so coming back to thing, so I remember that I was crying after that scolding, and I dreamt that may Allah bless me one day where I will own a bookstore, and I'll walk in and I'll grab any book and just read it, and no one will be able to tell me anything. And thank God, alhamdulillah that I've earned and achieved that. And that's all because of your support and your encouragement. So in October 2018, I lost my job, and it was a shock. And I didn't want it to sit at home. Basically, I wanted to do something so that at least I could afford my responsibility. And I discussed this with my friends, and two of my very kind friends, they suggested me that you should start renting books, because I ended up you a rent a read. That So as I said, that this has been inspired by you. From renting we moved into selling, and then we went into full-fledged selling. My aim has always been of selling at reasonable prices, but I am a very quality freak person. So these books, whichever are sold at my store, are books that I myself prefer for me. And when I talk about me, I am a very choosy person. So um, quality has never been compromised at my side. That we have successfully signed 3 big contracts with wonderful UK publishing houses and one US publishing house as well. So we'll be having authors that they work with. So there are lots of authors amongst them, and also the very famous Kevin Kwan's new book Sex and Vanity is also amongst them. We'll be receiving that book as well. There is a wide variety which is coming up. September we are receiving a big shipment. So everything is very promising, and I would like all of you to understand this factor that we need your support in a big way. We have also announced free book over a purchase of 100 dirhams for the next whole month. So yeah, any purchase that you do above 100, each 100 will give you one book free. So it's your good luck right now. So with that, I am so happy to share with you Book Point team's info. So introducing Book Point's team, there is Gulmina, whole soul and everything of Book Point. If I am not around, she's the person who knows everything. Will know what customer, what issues, anything. She'll be the one who will be. She's a subordinate of me, and then so she and Noman coordinates with the sales team that we have. They are outsourced company and they work for our customer service and sales. But yes, we also deal. I also come into picture most of the times. Then comes Alan. Alan used to be a dispatch committee head, but from now onwards, you will find him to answer all your emails that will be coming through the website. So Alan has become the customer champion, happiness champion. Then comes Saklan. Saklan is our marketing guy, but he works on and off, like he's a part-timer. So we always consult him when there is a very much need. He's also an expert in IT, so he deals with both IT and marketing of our company. And then comes Hamza. Hamza is the dispatch committee guy, and I have been very much gifted in terms of having such a dedicated team, and I want to add thank you to them through this platform, because they have been the most inspiring people with me. I think I have been lucky from the very beginning, because the people who worked with me from the beginning have been very motivating, very inspiring, and they have come up with great ideas. They have made me help change the concept of reading in a better way. And I think every person has the right to own a quality product with a good price. And I promise you that we will keep moving with better prices, with better books. Finally, I would also like to have a feedback suggestion from any of you. You can comment here, or you can text us, inbox us, WhatsApp us. There are lots of options for all of you. and best of luck in finding great books which are getting uploaded all on the website. From tomorrow onwards, you can fully use the website. And yes, the online payments are still working through My Fatura for now, because our bank has still not approved. We are still waiting for them to give us the final thing to be put up on the website, and then we'll be good to go. You can make all your online payments. You can still make your online payments through credit cards, debit cards, or any card. It's safe and sound, pretty easy. Just give a ping to us and we'll help you all forward. Thank you for watching us and have a great day. Bye bye, and keep reading, guys. Thank you.